Good afternoon. We have with us Mr. Sheetal Kot, CMD SNF Flowpam India Private Limited. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you very much for coming on the booth of SNF. And India Energy Week is a showcase conference for us to establish what we are working into the oil and gas industry within India and over the world as well, and to get the worldwide technology within India under Make in India campaign as well. So that is the goal for to showcase these things.
So, what are the products or solutions that you are displaying out here?
So we are working into the oil and gas in the different verticals as well, right from the drilling, cementing, water treatment and all the things as well, and even fracking and produce water treatment. So all these things are going on, and in terms of enhanced oil recovery, we are working very aggressively with the end-to-end services what we are offering, because one thing is bits and pieces when we are working, so no one is taking the responsibility. When we are giving the integrated solution to the oil operator, so that will be a success story what we have developed. So these are the similar models what we have developed. We implement it on site. It is a modular concept what we are getting to implement on the fields on the fast track basis as well.
And any new technology or any new product that you are launching?
So basically we have worked out on the RSTC, Regional SNF Technology Center, so to integrate all these solutions within India, to formulate all those things, and to when these studies were done in US and UK and all the things, it was taking 3 to 6 months timeline. So we bought all those technologies within India, and all those testings will be carried out within India and in the RSTC center. So all the integration will be faster. EOR screening of the fields will be faster. So whatever the enhanced oil recovery, what is the vision of our Prime Minister, that we have to remove the import dependency of 10% or 15% for India. So that is only achievable with the already discovered fields in India, and the chemical EOR is the game changer in this technology as well, and that is what we are working very aggressively. With the polymer flooding, we can able to increase the recovery factor by 10 to 15%, and with alkali and surfactant we can go up till 20-25% as well.
And how will this help Make in India story better for SNF Flowpam in the country?
So with this integrated model, we are working on the polymer manufacturing and supplying in India. So all these chemicals were getting imported from China, South Korea, France and other places. Now we are manufacturing in India, not only catering to the Indian market, but we are supplying to the global market as well from India. And that will be the game changer, because field conditions are different, and we adopt our polymerization based on the field conditions, and fast track implementation of the solutions as well on the fields as well. So that is the game changer for us to implement on the fast track in the fields as well. So,
I see 6 products on display
Yeah.
for Regional SNF Technical Center.
Yes, so these are the specialized products what we are displaying. So those products are little bit patented, and we are developing those things as a niche product line, what we can offer to the Indian market at the same quality with the low cost as well, and faster implementation of the fields as well, so that we will get the enhanced oil recovery. Even the drilling penetration will be the faster one, and we can adopt all those things on the fast track basis as well.
SNF is a global leader in polyacrylamides. How strategic is India in SNF's group's global growth roadmap, and what kind of growth trajectory do you foresee for SNF Flowpam over the next 5 to 7 years?
Yeah, so we have implemented a production line in India, and it was a quite good success story for us, and that's why we have went into the expansion. We are investing another 800 CR into Indian plant and all the things, and that is a very good prospect for us when we are developing the Indian plant for the overseas as well. Not only we are catering to the Indian market, but we are catering to the almost 40 countries from the Gandhidham plant as well, and very good prospect for us to develop this product line over India, or all over Middle East, Africa, South America and all the places as well. So that is what we are working globally.
How do you see the demand evolving for specialty flocculants and coagulants?
Yeah, the specialty flocculants and coagulants, even the water treatment, that is growing market for us, not only within India but overseas as well. Within India, it is developing very fast, and now people are looking for the niche product line to develop this market as well. And that is what we are working aggressively for, to understand the client's requirement with the RSTC center, so that we can take their brine, we can give the right candidate of polymer to them, and with the minimum wastage we can able to get the good results out of those things for the field implementation as well. And that is what we are working.
Which end use sectors, municipal, water, mining, oil and gas, pulp and paper or chemicals are currently driving maximum growth for SNF Flowpam, and where do you see the next big opportunity?
So, as obviously oil and gas is the largest market for us within SNF, so we are almost 25 to 28% is our major shares. But the next market is water treatment, which is again a saturated but 50% market with us. And the mining is the game changer, because mining now coming up with the green hydrogen, even EV batteries and all the things. So mining is increasing, and for flocculation, deflocculation, all these polymers are required. So we are in a big supplier for the mining chemicals as well, over India or over the world as well. So that will be again a game changer for all of us as well.
With volatility in raw materials prices and energy cost, how is SNF managing cost competitiveness while maintaining performance and sustainability standards?
Yeah, that is a very good question as well, because that is literally challenging us for to get the supply chain management. So we are developing not only the we have the suppliers from China, South Korea, Taiwan, even Indonesia and Malaysia as well, and we are developing the Indian manufacturers. So where we will get a seamless supplies and all the things, we are developing the R&D with our Indian suppliers as well, so that we can get the supply chain continuity in our plant. With the volatile structure, it is quite difficult to maintain those things, but continuously we are on the verge to get the raw material suppliers, vendors development, and with that we can able to get the consistency in supply chain management.
Stricter discharge norms and ESG reporting are reshaping customer expectations. How are regulatory changes influencing demand patterns and solution design in India?
So ESG is a very good topic, and we at SNF, we are committed for those things. We have done the green energy. We have achieved our target in 2025, which was set for 2030. We have planted many trees, and even the green energy what we are using in Gandhidham, so it is 100% green energy we are going ahead, and the ETP and all the things. So we are religiously working on those things for ESG, these things. ESG again is a game changer for us, as we are a EcoVadis Platinum rating company globally. So we are much more committed with our chairman, Pascal Remy. He is much more committed to achieve the ESG targets of scope 2 and 3 as well in near future. So we are well in advance to achieve those things, though we have committed by 2030 and 35, but we will achieve it very soon, all those parameters.
Do we see your new plant leveraging digital tools like process analytics, dosing optimization or remote monitoring to enhance performance outcomes for customers?
Yes, that will be a game changer as well, because we are working very aggressively on the EZOR and all the things what we are implementing, because the fields which are remotely into the oil and gas, we have implemented several technology where we can get all the real-time database on our mobiles as well, on the laptops as well, and we can monitor all the field conditions, how it is going on. So that will be a game changer, and we are acquainted with the AI technology and all the things, so that all our manufacturing facilities will give a good results out of those things as well.
Looking ahead to 2030, what is your vision for SNF Flowpam India, and how do you see the company shaping India's water security and industrial sustainability?
By 2030, we are going to achieve almost a double production capacity within Gandhidham and even the overseas as well. And we are working very aggressively to maintain the ESG at the same time the sustainable development as well. So what we are globally supplying as a quality product from SNF and trying to understand the customer needs and all the things with the RSTC center, so we can develop those things on fast track, and with the end customer we can develop this market with a niche product line as well. That will be a game changer for 2030.